Here's how to create a new appointment using iCalendar. So you'll go down to your dock and find calendar. If it's not on your dock, you can open your applications via various ways and then get to your calendar. Now as you see, we're open here in the day. So when you create your appointment, it'll automatically be in the day that you want it to be in. You'll hold down the left key and slide to new event. And you just type it in. Doctor's appointment. Another way to do this is to go to File, New Event, and that will take you to this plus sign here, and you just make a quick new event. Doctor's appointment. Press enter, and it shows up here. Now, if you happen to be in, say, the month, when you create your new event, you can go to the day, press new event, it'll show up in the day that you want it to be. However, if you do on the plus sign here, it'll automatically show up on the day in which you create the appointment. So today's Sunday, appointment will show up on a Sunday. So if that happens, you can easily change it by going into the event and clicking on the time and the day. Go on the calendar, so you want it on the 12th. There you go. And to delete the event, you just highlight it as it is and press delete. And that's how you create an appointment using iCalendar. So now we're going to create a burn folder. And to do that, we go to File and New Burn Folder. You can label the burn folder anything you like. Now to add stuff to the burn folder, if you open it, see it's empty. You just go to, say, your pictures, your document, and so forth. You can highlight it. Okay, let's go into the file. You can do it. There you go. As you see, your original file is made here. If you go to the burn folder, turn desktop. There's a copy of, or an alias of the files that you put on the folder. So you still have the original copies. So that even when you delete it, you're not deleting your original files, just the burn folder itself. And that's how you create a burn folder. There are a variety of ways to create PDF files from the browser, from documents or other programs. So I'm going to just show you some ways to make PDF files. So you can go into a web browser like Safari and say you have a favorite website that you like. Something that, so say you found a recipe. And it's pretty cool. Got all this information, but you don't want to keep coming back to it. You want to have a hard copy or a copy that's easily accessible. So you can export it as a PDF. You just click on export. Export as a PDF. And you can save it wherever you want it. Or you can go to print, which works very similar. You can see this PDF button here. You can save as a PDF or just open it in preview, then save it as a PDF. So that's in browsers. And you can also create, document. And say you want to save as. And one of the options is to save it as a PDF. So those are the different ways in which to create a PDF document. to show you how to take part of a screenshot. So you're not going to do the whole screen, but just part of it. So we're going to go back to our Vegetarian Society of Hawaii here, and I'm going to capture this. So what you do is you press Command Shift 4, and you see this icon here, and you select whatever it is that you want, and you release. And a picture sound happens, and then it's available here on your desktop. And that's how you do a partial screenshot. Now to show you 3 ways in which to zoom text in a web browser. So we're going to go to Vegetarian Society of Hawaii and say this is too small for you. One thing you can do is push your thumb and your pointer finger together, place them on the trackpad, and spread them out. And as you spread, it gets bigger. Another thing is to take your 2 fingers, your pointer finger and your middle finger together, and tap just gently, and it gets bigger. The third one is Command and the plus sign. To make it smaller, the minus sign. And that's how you do it. Now, how to designate your home page in a web browser. Let's open it up. You go to Safari, Preferences, here in General, and Home Page. So you can type it in, but one of the easier ways to do it is to go into the page that you want to save, and then press Set to Current Page and Google. So we're gonna put Safari into web browsing. And if we do it again, and here we are. And that's how you do it. A standard account. Let's go to our setting, system preferences, users and groups. To add, we have to click to type in your password here, unlock it, put in their name, create user, and there they are. To delete, and just go here, just press the minus, and erase it, delete the home folder, delete user, and they're gone. And that's how you do it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a workflow. So you will go to Automator. I have mine here in my doc. I'm going to do a service workflow. Double click there. What we're going to do is we're going to have this play songs from iTunes just by clicking on text. Do that by getting the current song in iTunes. I find that this works best. Then start iTunes playing. See, it's pretty simple. Here comes the fun part. And this part's even more fun because when you go to file, you get to save it, but there's no save as. So what I do is I go to help, save as, and saves as. What happens is that it saves in the services folder. So open up system preference, and what we do here is we go to keyboard shortcuts, services. And if we look for it, it's here. Play song 2. How we know that this works? Good text edit, awesome text. Validate it. You see here, play song 2. Let's see what happens. Now we're going to talk about multi-homing. So I go here, this is your Wi-Fi icon, and open network preferences. So these are your multi-homing. Now you see Wi-Fi here. I'm just only primarily connected to the Wi-Fi, so that's the only one that's active. See, it says make it inactive. I don't want to do that. Now to change the homing, even though these are inactive, you're still able to do that. You go to set service order, and you have Firewire. Say it's under Thunderbolt. Internet can be under Firewire, and it's pretty much different now. So when we press OK, you see that switch? There, it's done. It's all changed. And the reason why Wi-Fi didn't move is because it's the only one that's active, and it's the first and only one that will be read. Well, you have to press apply, and that's how you do it. Now, to show you how to do an audio recording using QuickTime Player. Open up, File, New Audio Recording. This is the record button. Press it. I want to make a recording. Yeah. Stop. Playback. I want to make a recording. Yeah. And then to save it, just press the X button. It prompts to save. You can save it wherever you want. And that's how you do it.